Good morning, students. In our yesterday's class, we had studied about covalent bond, and we defined a covalent bond as a chemical bond formed by sharing of valence electrons between two atoms. So when the valence electrons or the electrons present in the last shell of the atoms are shared, the bond so formed between the two atoms is a covalent bond. This covalent bond can be a single bond, double bond, or a triple bond, depending upon the number of electrons that are being shared between two atoms. If only one pair of electron is shared between two atoms, it is called as a single bond. By one pair, we mean two. If two pairs of electrons are being shared between two atoms, it is called as a double bond. Two pairs will be equal to 4 electrons. And if three pairs of electrons are being shared between two atoms, then it is called as a triple bond. So three pairs will be equivalent to 6 electrons. We also studied how the representation of covalent bond is to be brought about, and that we make use of dots or crosses to indicate the electrons that are present in the valence shell of the atoms. And the shared electrons are shown in the overlapping regions of the two atoms. So let us start with this electron dot structures. The very first example that we are going to study is of hydrogen, which is the most simplest molecule that is formed by covalent bond. And the bond that is going to form between the two hydrogen atoms is going to be a single bond. Now this is what is given in your textbook. They have shown two hydrogen atoms, nucleus and the valence shell. There is only one shell in hydrogen, that is K shell, and it has got only one electron. So two hydrogen atoms are shown here. Hydrogen cannot exist as a single atom. It will combine with another atom to form a hydrogen molecule, that is H2. It is a diatomic molecule. Since there are two atoms of hydrogen, it is called as diatomic. Now you can see that the two electrons that were there in the valence shell, one each in hydrogen here, they both have shared their electrons, and now these two electrons here are a common property for both the hydrogen. You can see that it is lying in the region that is overlapping the two circles or the valence shell. And since only one pair of electron is being shared between two atoms, it is called as a single bond. So one pair is equivalent to 2 electrons. By doing so, hydrogen has achieved the electronic configuration of helium, that is 2, and it has established a duplet in its outermost shell, and so it becomes stable. Here this is how it is represented using dots. This hydrogen had one electron. This hydrogen also had one electron. Both shared their one electron each, and they achieved the electronic configuration of helium. Since one pair of electron is being shared, it is indicated by one single line. One line indicates two electrons, or it's a single bond. So hydrogen molecule is formed due to a single covalent bond by sharing of two electrons. Now here, this is how you have to draw. You must sit with your notebooks and pencils. I have taken here a 10 rupee coin to show the valence shell of hydrogen. So 2 hydrogen atoms have been shown. This is one atom of hydrogen. This is another atom of hydrogen. Each of them is having 1 electron each in the K shell. Electronic configuration of hydrogen is shown here, 1. They have been shown with 2 different colors here. One is red, the other is black, for better understanding. Now, both the hydrogen share their 1 electron each. When they share, this is the overlapping that is shown here of the shells. You have to show the electrons that are being shared in this overlapping region. Now, these 2 electrons are a common property for both the hydrogen. Both establish duplet in their outermost shell and achieve electronic configuration of helium. And since one pair of electron or 2 electrons are being shared between the 2 atoms, it is going to be called as a single bond. Now, this is going to form a hydrogen molecule. 2 atoms of hydrogen getting together to give rise to a hydrogen molecule. So this is another way of representation, 1 electron with 1 hydrogen. This is also with 1 electron. They share and you get hydrogen-hydrogen single bond. This is how it is read. Hydrogen-hydrogen single bond.